Welcome students to ND's English Grammar channel on YouTube. Here I have for you 20 MCQs on partition of Bengal and Swadeshi movement. The first one, who announced the partition of Bengal in 1905? The correct answer is Lord Curzon, option A. Question 2. What was the main reason behind the partition of Bengal? Correct option is D. That is administrative convenience, economic interests, political considerations, and all of this. Number 3. Which movement emerged as a response to the partition of Bengal? Swadeshi movement, non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement. Answer is Swadeshi movement. Question 4. What is the main slogan of the Swadeshi movement? Boycott foreign goods, buy Indian, not British, Swadeshi Mera Jeevan, Vande Mataram. Answer is A. Boycott foreign goods. Question number 5. Who was the key leader of the Swadeshi movement? Rabindranath Tagore, Aurobindo Ghosh, Lala Lajpat Ray, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Correct answer is B. Aurobindo Ghosh. Number 6. What was the significance of the Swadeshi movement? It marked the shift from moderate to radical nationalism. It led to the growth of militant nationalism. It popularized the idea of self-reliance. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question number 7. Which of the following was the consequence of the partition of Bengal? Growth of communalism, weakening the nationalist movement, strengthening of British rule, none of this. Correct answer is option A. Growth of communalism, that is difference between communities, and it was especially between Hindu and Muslims. Next question, who was the Viceroy of India when the partition of Bengal was announced? Lord Curzon, Lord Minto, Lord Hardinge, Lord Chelmsford. Answer Lord Curzon. Next question, what was the main objective of the Swadeshi movement? To promote Indian industries, to challenge British economic dominance, to promote self-reliance, all of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Next question, who was the prominent woman leader in Swadeshi movement? Sarla Devi, Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay, Matangini Hazara, all of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Next question, what was the impact of Swadeshi movement on Indian nationalism? It weakened the nationalist movement. It strengthened the nationalist movement. It had no impact on the nationalist movement. None of this. Option B. It strengthened the nationalist movement. Next question, which of the following characteristics of the Swadeshi movement? It was the moderate movement, it was the radical movement, it was the peaceful movement, and it was the violent movement. Option B. It was a radical movement. That is shift from moderation to violence. Little bit of violence. Next, who was the founder of Indian National Council? Aurobindo Ghosh, Lala Lajpat Ray, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Rabindranath Tagore. Option A. Aurobindo Ghosh. Next question, what was the significance of the boycott of foreign goods during the Swadeshi movement? It challenged the British economic dominance. It promoted Indian industries. It generated employment opportunities. All of the above. Option D. All of the above. Next question, which of the following was a consequence of the Swadeshi movement? Growth of communalism, weakening the nationalist movement, strengthening of British rule, none of the above. Answer none of the above. Next question, who was the leader of the extremist fraction of the Indian nationalist Congress. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Aurobindo Ghosh, Rabindranath Tagore. Answer Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who was the Indian extremist faction, leader of the extremist faction of Indian National Congress? It is important, students. Then, what was the main objective of the extremist faction of the National Congress? To promote constitutional reform, to challenge British rule, to promote self-reliance, to weaken the nationalist movement. Option B, to challenge the British rule. So students, all these are important MCQs. Please learn them. They will help you much. Please follow and subscribe. Thank you.